Welcome to my channel, guys. This is the preparation for my niece cooking without fire competition which held tomorrow. His masses and his mother going to participate along with him. Three dishes we have to make. So let's see what and all dishes we are going to make.
The next day.
Competition will begin within some time, so we need to set our table first. So as you can see that this apron we made from chart paper and written his name Shazin. Competition has begun and we have to make three dishes: savory, sweet and drinks. We made cucumber boat as savory and kesri malai as sweet. Last one mohabbat ka sharbat as a drink. all set to go. Some garnishes are need to be done, and judges will come and they will taste the food. So the final look is this one, cucumber boat, and this is a kesri malai, and last one is mohabbat ka sharbat, it made from watermelon. So as you can see that judges are came and they are tasting one food. After this there is some stage competition will be there, singing competition like that, etc, etc. After that gift distribution will be held. So they will announce who came first, second and third. Let's see, hope for the best.
The first place goes to Adya.
Congratulations and jubilation.